Have you ever wondered what cancer cells look like up close? Today, we're going to embark on a fascinating journey, diving deep under the microscope to reveal a surprising weakness in these formidable foes, cancer cells. Under high magnification, their true nature is unveiled. Unlike healthy cells, cancer cells display a an often unsettling appearance. Their nuclei, the control centers of the cell, are frequently larger and exhibit irregular shapes, a clear indication of uncontrolled growth. The cells themselves may appear disorganized and irregular in their form and arrangement, a stark contrast to the structured, well-ordered appearance of healthy tissue. But beyond their visual anomalies, what critical vulnerabilities do these rogue cells possess? What is their weakest spot? Cancer cells, fueled by rapid and uncontrolled division, have a hyperactive metabolism, a state of perpetual overdrive. They are constantly dividing and growing, demanding a massive influx of energy to sustain this aggressive proliferation. This high-octane activity places significant strain on the cellular machinery, making them particularly vulnerable. One of the key players in this energetic dance is the mitochondria, the powerhouses of the cell. Scientists have made a remarkable discovery, pinpointing a specific protein within the mitochondria that is absolutely critical for cancer cell survival. This protein acts as an essential cog in the energy production process. Without it, the cancer cells simply cannot function. This, then, represents their most significant weakness, their Achilles heel. By strategically targeting and blocking this crucial protein, researchers are developing innovative and promising cancer treatments. The goal is to essentially starve the cancer cells, cutting off their access to the energy they desperately need to thrive. Imagine the microscopic battlefield where these treatments are deployed. Under the microscope, the impact is often dramatic and visible. The once thriving cancer cells begin to show undeniable signs of damage and distress. Their relentless division slows, and eventually, the cells succumb. It's a battle being waged at the most fundamental level of life, a clash of cellular forces, and the microscope offers a front-row seat to this intricate drama. The quest to understand, exploit, and ultimately overcome the vulnerabilities of cancer cells is ongoing. Every new discovery brings us closer to innovative therapies and renewed hope for the millions affected by this devastating disease. The microscopic world is, in this context, a realm of both profound beauty and relentless struggle, a place where the smallest details can hold the key to the greatest triumphs. Further investigation continues to reveal new facets of cancer cell biology, paving the way for even more targeted and effective treatments in the future.